Welcome, I'm Beth Ramsden, and this week I'll be making some tiny jeans for my Blythe dolls. I'm part of the #LoveDolls YouTuber collaboration hosted by Tammy from Peace Craft Love Dolls. Each month she sets a theme for us to create towards, and this month's theme is flowers. I will include a link to each participant's video in my description below, so be sure to check them all out. There are some incredibly talented creators in our group and they deserve your views. When I thought about the flowers theme, I thought of flower power, 60s and 70s style and flared trousers. I drafted a pattern for myself, traced out my pattern pieces and added fray check to all the seams. First, I sew the contrasting cotton pockets. I'm adding top stitching in orange thread. I join the front centres and then the back pieces at the side seams. Next, I'll make pockets for the back, folding and pressing them round a cardboard template before stitching them on. I turn and stitch the leg hems, then make very thin strips with 2 rows of top stitching to make into belt loops. I sandwich them under the waistband lining before turning it to the inside. I'll add 2 rows of top stitching to the waistline before trimming, turning in and hand stitching the belt loops into place. It's looking awesome so far. Before I close up the back, I'll sew some embroidered flowers around the legs and pockets. I've planned out some nice retro looking colour combinations of embroidery thread. Now I'll sew the back seam, then open out the legs and sew from hem to hem around the crotch. I hand stitched the hems here so they lay nice and flat and clip the curves before turning through. I've sewn a snap fastening on the back and next I want to scuff them up using sandpaper to give them a worn-in look. I've put a metal ruler inside to sand against, and it works quickly. I don't want too many holes for this pair, but I add weathering where I think it looks natural. They're looking really good, but I have one more thing I want to try. I'm going to apply bleach to fade the colour in certain areas. I apply it with a cotton bud and have padded the leg and scrunched it to create natural wrinkles. I do the other leg and finally hand wash them to rinse out the bleach. And here they are, all dry and looking super cute. What do you think? All working pockets, embroidered details, and they look like they've been worn for years. I love the flowers and the shape of the legs and the contrasting cotton lining too. Now I can complete the outfit with a pretty floral balloon-sleeved crop top and a whole heap of flowers. My Blythe here has got my new Obitsu style jointed body, and it's even more posable than the A-zone jointed body. I hope you've enjoyed my video. I'm so excited to see everyone else's interpretation of the flower theme. Check out their links below, and thank you so much for your time. I'll see you again soon. Bye!